morning students. Welcome again to our online classes. How are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home and enjoying our online classes. As you know, I am your EVS teacher, Mrs. Shelja Bissa from Winner Small Wonder Secondary School. I hope you all have seen my previous videos. In previous class, we have completed our chapter 8, house we build. Okay, so today we discuss related this chapter worksheet. Okay students, today we do a worksheet in this book. This is your worksheet book now, 5 in 1. Bring this book fast and open page number 141, worksheet 17. Related to the chapter house we build. Okay students, so please fast open it and fill with me. मेरे साथ साथ इसको fill कर लीजिए. Clear student? So let's start. Yes. One is match the following pictures with the kind of house. इस पिक्चर्स को उनके नेम से क्या करना है? मैच करना है. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज, लुक दिस पिक्चर. द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज यस कारवेन. ओके, व्हील्स, हाउस ऑन व्हील्स इज कॉल्ड कारवेन. सो लुक, सर्च द कारवेन. दिस वन, नो, दिस वन कच्चा हाउस, Pakka house, igloo, carven. So we will match the carven or write here 3. So number 1, match the D, E. Okay. 1 को किससे मैच किया? Carven से. Clear students? You will write here number 1 or you will match the E. Clear? Next picture is house on boat. Where कहाँ होती है house on boats? Yes, lakes में, है ना? So this one is tent, कच्चा house, पक्का house, igloo, carven and कच्चा house boat. So we will match the 2 को किससे मैच करेंगे? F से. So 2 F. Clear? And you will write here 2. Clear students? Okay. Next is, look this picture. This is igloo. Very good. And so tent, kacha house, pakka house and igloo. So we will match the igloo. Okay. 3 को D से मैच करेंगे. Clear? D से मैच करेंगे. Clear? और we will write here 3 also. Okay. Next is tent. So this one is tent. And tent को हम इससे 4 को A से मैच करेंगे. तो 4A. Okay. Next is a kacha house. Hut है ना? Hut is a kacha house. So we will search the kacha house. Tent and kacha house. So we will match the 5B. Okay. 5 को किससे मैच कर देंगे आप? B से. Clear? And last one is yes, pakka house. So we will search the pakka house and we will match it. Okay. Tent, kacha house, pakka house. So 6 number को हम C से मैच करेंगे. 6 number is C. Clear students? Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer from the box. इस बॉक्स में जो आपने को आंसर्स दे रखे हैं, we will choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Clear? So first one is material used to make a kacha house are okay. So first read. Material used to make a kacha house are how what made up of kacha house? कैसे किससे बनता है? Yes, mud, wood, straw, but we use these words. हमें इन words में से चूज करना है. Clear? So first one is mud. Okay. And second one, grass and leaves. Okay, students. So again read this sentence. Material used to make a kacha house are mud, grass and leaves. Clear? So you will write here mud, grass and leaves. Okay? Number 2. Tents are dash house. Yes, tell me. Tents are which type of houses? Temporary or permanent? Yes, temporary, because हम टेंट को पैक करके अपने साथ कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. ओके, सो टेंट्स आर टेम्परेरी हाउस. Clear? So read again. Tents are temporary house. Clear? Next question number fill up 3. And dash designs a house. Yes. And dash designs a house. Who designs a house? जब हम हाउस बिल्ड करते हैं उससे पहले कौन डिजाइन करता है हाउस को? यस, आर्किटेक्ट. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर आर्किटेक्ट. ओके, सो read students. And architect designs a house. Clear? Clear students? Okay. Next fill up is a dash makes wall, roof and floor of the house. As pre-plan. The house as per plan. आर्किटेक्ट जो डिजाइन करता है और उसको उस प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग मेक वॉल्स, रूफ एंड फ्लोर्स ऑफ द हाउस. Who makes? Yes, mason. So we will write here mason. A mason make walls, roof and floor of the house as per plan. Okay? जो प्लान आर्किटेक्ट डिजाइन करता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हाउस बिल्ड कौन करता है? Who built the house? Mason. Clear? So we will write the mason. Okay, students? Now next one is we find kacha houses in dash. Last one is we find kacha houses in dash. Where we found the kacha houses? Yes, villages. So we will write the spelling of villages. Okay, we find kacha houses in villages. Clear, students? Okay, so I hope you all understand clearly. Next, turn the page and worksheet 18. Okay, page number 142. Page number 142. Worksheet 18, page number 142. Clear, students? Look this. This is worksheet 18, page number 142. Open fast. Clear. Shall we start? Yes. Write true or false. Clear. So first one is huts are pakka house. Huts are pakka house is true or false? Yes, false. So we will write here false. 1. Clear? You will write here false. Okay? And second one is we live in house with our family. Is true or false? Yes, true. Because we live in our house, our family. हम हमारी फैमिली के साथ हाउस में रहते हैं. So second one is true. We will write TRUE, true. Okay. Next one is flats are kacha house. Flats are kacha house? No. So this one is false. We will write number 3 false. Okay. Question. Next one is pakka house are stronger than kacha house. Is true or false? Yes, true. Because kacha houses are made up of mud, leaves, grass, and pakka houses are made up of bricks, cement, stone, iron. So which one is stronger? Yes, pakka house. So this one is true. We will write here true. Okay. Number 5. A plumber fits the pipes, taps and sinks of the houses. Who fit the pipe and taps? Plumber na? So this one also true. This one true. Okay. And next is a painter paints the walls, doors and windows of the house. Is true. Paint कौन करता है हमारे हाउस में? वो walls, door, painter. So this one also true. We will write here true. Clear, students? Yes. Next is answer the following questions. Clear? Number 1. Name any 4 part of a room. Okay. A, B, C, D. Okay. So tell me, name any 4 part of a room. Roof, wall, floor and window. Clear? Okay. So we will write here. First one is floor, wall, roof. आप यहाँ पे डोर और विंडो कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. सो डोर. क्लियर? रूम में क्या होते हैं? फ्लोर, वॉल, रूफ एंड डोर. डोर भी हो सकती है, विंडो भी. ओके. सो वी हैव ओनली 4 पार्ट. हमने को ओनली 4 पार्ट राइट करने हैं. सो वी विल राइट फ्लोर, रूफ, वॉल एंड डोर. क्लियर? ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम 4 people who help to build house. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first is read. Name 4 people who help to build our house. Who help to build our house? Yes. Architect, contractor, labor and mason. Okay. So we will write here. First, architect, contractor, labor and mason. Clear? So name 4 people who help to build our house. Architect, labor, contractor and mason. Clear? Okay. Now question number 3. Name 4 material used to make a kacha house. Name 4 material to make a kacha house. Clear? So tell me the use material. Which material we use for build kacha house? Yes, mud, straw, wood, leaves, grass, है ना? So we will write here mud, straw, wood and leaves. Okay. Clear? So this is is your book activity. Do only in your book. Okay, this worksheet only for book. Clear, students? I hope you all understand.